Alright, we in this bitch now. What up, stream? We here with my boy Kalen. We gon' So basically my plan is to see if I could turn somebody else profitable, me and Lil Twin. If we could turn our homie profitable. If we could turn him profitable, we gonna start a course. I gotta make sure we could actually do it first though, you know? Don't wanna be taking people money. Alright. So I'm finna break it down to you. Boom. 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 Alright. So I need to clear my charts. So we could just see a clear chart. Clear. Let me log into my live. Alright. So you got what do you understand so far?
I'm through all the break structure shit, liquidity. I've done trends in markets, obviously candlesticks, all that type of shit.
Okay, cool. So you understand that. Alright. I'm gonna start from here. So boom. What we trading is we trading options. Right? And there's a thing called pairs. So they come in two. So like NASDAQ and ES, they move together. So that's a pair. Gold and silver, they move together. So that's a pair. So shit like that. So these are our pairs. Obviously NASDAQ and ES. You see they both look alike when I switch over because they move the same. Okay, so what I start with is you got sessions. You got New York session. Let me pull up the actual correct shit. Show you right here. Market hours. Okay, so you got sessions. You got Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. So a total of 4 sessions. They overlap each other. So what we trade is London session, in the London session, open the New York session. So we trade in the New York session mainly though.
Yeah.
So how I see that on my chart, like the sessions and shit, is I first I will mark out the times and shit. I know it ends. You understand what these are? These are fair value gaps.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are fair value gaps right here. I'm just keep that in your mind. So what I do is every morning I go to my 5 minute. I will mark out 8 a.m., which is pre-market open. So that's like market getting ready to set up and shit. 8 a.m.
I'm on 5 minutes.
You gotta add it in your toolbar. Go over. It's not that. Yeah. It's gonna be vertical one. Go back and add it to your favorites too. Boom. That was gonna be the hot bar.
So you said mark where it starts.
Yeah, which is 8 a.m.
So right there.
You gotta click it though. Boom. That's pre-market, right? So now I mark up 9:30, which is market open. Let me see. I want to see the time zone. You got Chicago. You need New York. Because I'm going off of New York time. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense now. Put that there, and then this one at 9:30. Boom. All right, so now we're looking at the same thing. So boom. All right, that's my market open. Now I'm gonna mark what's called macro time. Macro time is basically the perfect time you want to see your setup. It's like when market likes to give you a good entry. like to put yourself into a market. So that time is from 9:50 to 10:10. Now you could trade before macro and after macro, but if you're gonna trade before macro, make sure it's like 5 minutes or less. And then if you're gonna trade, you could just trade after macro. It don't matter. Like macro could pass and you still have a good trade.
You said 9:50 and 10:10.
Mhm. Your
Just
next
color
one.
them just different.
Yeah, that's what I do. Just to get a visual representation. What's going on? Ten ten. Just give me 1 second. All right, cool. Now, now we mark our previous session's liquidity. So this everything before here is not New York time. So everything after here is New York.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our high time frame, like 1 hour, and this is how we're gonna mark up our liquidity. So boom, our liquidity will be. I like to color my horizontal lines. So go here, horizontal. Mhm. Boom. Okay, cool. All right, so now I got. So you know what a high is and a low is. All right, so up candle, down candle. This is a high. So boom, color green. Up candle, down candle. This is also a high down here. So I'm gonna color it green. I'm gonna mark one more high here. This is a high too, but it's too close to this high. So obviously, if this liquidity gets swept, this one's gonna get swept as well. So I'm not gonna mark it. But this is also a high. Up candle, down candle. Boom.
It's on a high time frame.
Yep. On a 1 hour.
High. You marking it at the wick or at the bottom?
The wick. So yup. So that would be a high right here.
I need to see something different.
All right. So boom. That's one high. I'm gonna let you find them. Remember, a high is a up candle followed by a down candle. All right, so you got your high. Now I'm gonna mark my lows, which is a down candle followed by an up candle. So we got a low here, down, up. Boom. I'm gonna mark mine red. Boom. What other lows do we have? I will have to look back in the market because, like, we're all the way down there. It ain't been much. So I will have to go, like, to here. I can obviously tell that that's a low, right? Like, I'm gonna zoom in all the way over here. That's a low. Down, up, low. So, but it's all the way over here. So I'm gonna mark that. Boom. And it's some ways away, right? What do we have right under this? We have a nice little fair value gap right here. But that's not the point. I'm just showing you that. So now we got our liquidity marked up, right? Got our highs and our lows marked up in the market.
So right here, this one, not the low one, but this would be the low because it's low followed by high, right?
Correct, but it has already been swept. Because the market came and passed it over here, so you're not even considering it.
This one right here.
Zoom over. Like, no. Yeah. Nope, because it's already swept. So we only looking at stuff that's not touched yet.
So this
Yeah, that was correct.
It would be right here.
It's already been swept, but that's a high. See, that's your high right here. Up, down, candle, high. So that's a high. We only care about things that haven't been swept. So say if this was here, but none of this was here, that would be a low. But since this is here, we came down, we swept it. So not considered it no more. It's not there no more because it's been touched. No homo. um. Okay. So now that we got our areas of liquidity marked up, I gotta go over here and do it for this chart too. Up, down, green. Up, down, green. Up, down, green. Down, up. I'm gonna
Get me right,
Yeah.
mama. Backdoor on this bitch, man.
I ain't even gonna post today's shit.
We got one viewer.
It's probably RD or LT. It's always one of them niggas. They just don't be
LT, who that is?
in the Discord. They just don't be talking. They be putting me on their TV.
Hey, yo, bro.
All right. So now that we got our levels of liquidity marked up, we just chill on our 5 minute. That's it. Now this is the biggest part of trading that people don't like. We wait.
Yeah.
Cause they seeing all these lines and all this money move, but they don't like to wait. We gotta wait for our shit to set up. You feel me?
Yeah. Otherwise, the whole shit ain't worth it. What you doing it for?
Exactly. So our high looks like it's been swept for the 1 hour. So
What's going on here? I went back. Oh, that's 5 seconds. I'm like, what the fuck?
you could add like let's go and mark that out. So they just all stay up there. 5 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 2. That's for our execution time. 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. And I use the day, but I don't really
That's just to see
that's just see where we at. Yeah. So can you tell what trend we are in right now on the hourly? In 1 hour.
down.
Correct. What are we on a daily?
I need a mouse.
Oh yeah, you do. Here to make it easier, just scroll that down. Like click these numbers and like scroll down,
Okay.
and then you could pinch over.
Still down.
You could You could pinch them together like this to zoom out. Other way. Yeah. That's why you gotta have a mouse.
Yeah.
So yeah, boom. So our trend right now is a bearish trend. So if we was trading like a trend, we'd be like, all right, so I'm bearish for the day. That's our bias for the day, correct? Boom. So what we will want to see is.
How I get it back to like looking.
No, damn.
Yeah.
Did you zoom out too? Should be able to.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, so it looked like we got a pre-market sweep, which is, let me just make sure my line is on there, right? Oh, it's not. That's why. So I'm looking like a pre-market sweep. So okay, another thing. So like when you got wicks like this, you see up down, you wouldn't place it on the blue candle, even though that's your up. You would place it on a black candle because that wick extends further than this, but it's still a part of that high because it makes a peak. So you put it on the very top of the peak, even if it's a down candle. So that's the peak. So it looks like we didn't get a pre-market sweep, which is beautiful. That's what we don't want to see, a pre-market sweep, especially if our bias is bearish. We want to see this come get swept, and then market continue lower because this is buy side. When buy side gets swept, we take sales. When sell side gets swept, we take buys. When buy side gets swept, we take sales. Make sure you put buy side liquidity, because this is all liquidity.
Damn.
Bro, I'm looking like, why do today feel off? I ain't got my sunlight in there, bitch. Let's get some sunlight in there, bitch. Sun in there, motherfucker.
There we go. That's better.
Oh, that probably blinding you.
This cool.
You sure? Yeah. That should be blinding me too, but I just like how it look. Fuck all that. Shit blinding me, nigga. Yeah, pull that one. Boom. All right. She's still not helping.
I'm straight.
Whew. All right. So now we just wait. That's literally all we do. We wait and we read what market's doing throughout the day. So obviously, I'm gonna just do what I do. We're in a downtrend on the higher time frame. So my bias is bearish. What I'm looking for is this liquidity be swept, or any liquidity be swept, and then I'll continue from there. But looks like we're in a break structure on the 15-minute to the downside, and we also got it on the 5-minute. So can't get copyrighted. Let's listen to some music. I'm finna share this screen out. Come join the live stream, man. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too.
Oh, we ain't got the blue skies in the
And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. Join the live stream, man. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. Cause ain't no love up in the streets. Them boys had thought that I was V. Social anxiety don't want us. No. Can you finish playing the song? God. Trying to speak my mind. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. Come join the live stream. Come join the live stream, man. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. Come join the live stream, man. What the fuck? And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. Come join the live stream, man. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too.
Every time my life start getting better, man, it's always something. I can't get distracted, no, I'm bound to ball like Andre Johnson. Yeah, we gon' take them out before they get us. That's the must, same as I hear them, block them, you know we ain't locked in enough. You get what you put in, rookie ass, no, you ain't
What the?
spending
That's
enough.
weird.
Clap his
It
ass,
just
pussy, you
tells
ain't
you the number stop
some
loss
bucks,
and shit
nigga.
like that.
I seen it.
Come join the live stream, man. And we teach your brother how to trade some shit. Beautiful day too. I'm gonna take a picture from back here.
Limit or stop mark? Limit?
No, market.
Right here, right? Yeah,
Order.
also.
Yeah, bro. That shit is pre.
I can't get out this bitch. No. I'm stuck in this bitch now. Get out of here. How the fuck?
Mm-mm. Go here and press the main button. Still don't work. What the fuck is that? Can you like exit out? No. Add. That's the DOM you looking at. It look like over here. This drop down. That drop down.
Need to get out of this shit. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. See, it still want me to do shit. Oh, is it 'cause it's on auto? No. That got something to do with it?
Mm-mm. How the fuck was I? Hold on, let me see. Cause I was just I had bought one of these accounts and I was pressing buy and sell. So cause you should be able to add these. Just not.
There you go.
What the fuck? Okay. This is stupid. This is very stupid. This is why YouTube is your best friend. Market open in 4 minutes.
Hey, babe. Hey, what's a 5-letter word that starts with PH and ends with NE? Clue is get 4 of these for free.
In this video, let's do like a $200 TP for now. But I'm gonna show you guys shooting position. You can change them at any moment. Yeah, I have it set. I'm gonna put a sell limit on. This is what it looks like. So if I wanted to just say do a sell limit for 2 contracts, right here. Once price gets there, it will automatically put me into my sell limit. However, what you might be thinking to yourself is, yeah, but Tyler, it's not giving me an automatic stop loss or take profit that I can use. And you're right. I'm going to show you guys right now how you can set that up so that you can automatically have your bracket orders ready to go when you enter a trade. So the easiest way to do this, so it's just ready to go automatically, is by going over to your, not Trader Hub, your settings right here. So over here on your settings on the left hand side, if under your risk settings, over here on the very left, you guys can see where it says position risk.
This is fucking retarded. That's retarded that you have to do all of that to place a fucking trade. We gonna say our risk is 500. Alright, go here, and when time comes to get in the trade, you gonna left click. No. You gonna go. Where the fuck did that shit pop up at?
Right
Okay,
there,
yeah. You gonna left click, then you gonna either what we doing, you gonna mark it. Boom, boom. Yeah. All right. That's where we at. But look, when we finna place a trade, don't say nothing because I got 3 other accounts.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna have to and then I'm gonna come here. No. What I want to happen is not happening. But hey, you win some and you lose some.
So what you wanted to happen?
What I want to happen is, since we're in a downtrend, I wanted to come sweep buy side so we can continue with the trend, because trend is your friend. I hate having to go against market, but I hate having to go against trend, but I'm a liquidity grab trader. So if this gets swept, I'm looking for buys. Either way it goes, you're gonna have to. What I'm gonna do is I'm just go to 1 hour. I'm gonna look for high time frame fair value gaps, which we have one right here, right under this liquidity, and right here, right under this liquidity, that we could react off of. So if I see this get swept, that's what I'm looking at for buys. A feel of one of those high time frame gaps. That's creeping me out. Market open. Now this is where the real fun starts. Now I want to see one of these areas get swept because market's open.
So, but this one should really be the same color as this one, right?
What? No, because that's your low. I like to keep mine different colors. If you go look at his chart, he got all of them the same color. Like, it don't really matter. It's just what you could read. So now market just open and cross our second line. Let's market open. So if we would have got one of these lines crossed before market open, it would have been considered a pre-market sweep because market's not open. It's a pre-market. So it's a pre-market sweep. But we didn't do that. So now Cause like pre-market sweeps, they could still like hold some weight to the market. It's just they always don't. So if there's a way to tell a pre-market is valid, same way you tell if it's not pre-market. So the sweep we gonna get today is not gonna be pre-market,
Okay.
cause now we in
Yeah,
market
it's already
open.
past that.
Yeah. So boom. So now we in market open. We waiting on one of these lines to be swept, and then we gonna either continue with our bias, like if it comes and sweeps this one right here, we're gonna continue bearish, cause that's everything setting up. We're in a downtrend. We got buy side swept on liquidity, and we in a downtrend. So that's just perfect right there for that little part right there. But if we sweep this, I flip my bias and I'm turning bullish, which is sell side, because you buy when sell side is swept. And I'm gonna show you as we go on throughout the day to how to tell if it's valid or not. But yeah, boys, today is a no news Monday. No news Monday, so market volatility might not be that exciting. But hey, no news Monday. That's what we like to see. And boom, we get a big push to the downside. Bring it under. I'm finna go grab one of your Dr. Peppers. Hold on, y'all. Look like we gonna sweep sell side, boys. Chat. This is the hardest part waiting.
I wonder if you know just how I feel to me. Wonder if you know just how I feel to hop out like squeeze. Brother fine for a pill, they tryna give me 33. Can't believe my brother download up and hit on the west side hand.
Look like we gonna sweep sell side first. So I'm gonna go mark up my 1 hour fair value gap I saw here, which is unmitigated. Them boys had thought that I was V. Social anxiety, don't wanna go outside. I'm just trying to speak my mind. Isn't any on the inside, some niggas starving over these. Them niggas starving over these. Can't let them get the best of me. Them niggas starving over these. Them niggas starving over these. Can't let them get the. Can't let them knock me off my skull and fuck 5 for nothing. What the fuck? Did I not mark this up? I swear I marked ES up, boys. Evidently not. I better get some bucks, nigga. Oh, guess I did mark it up. It just loaded just now. I don't know what the fuck that was. No sweep yet on ES. No sweep yet on NAS, but it looks like we come to sweep that sell side out.
It's the 126.
Macro in 10 minutes. Yeah, market volatility is low this morning, boys. It's not moving that much. Volatility, like the you already know why it's not moving that much. Yeah, cause So today's a no news day, and news really moves the market. It jumped that shit. So no news days is gonna be a little bit slower, but your setup still might come. I use an extra spaceship. I took this bitch to the moon. I use the X as a moon. Is respecting this little ass fair value gap. I don't know why, but just come and give us the fucking liquidity sweep. You dumb bitch. I'm pretty sure that just like, yeah. So we do want to sweep buy side. Okay. I don't know what the fuck we want to do here. Come on, what the fuck you want to do? You just got 2 inches away from fucking sell side and just took off back the other way. Macro in 6 minutes. When macro hit, I'm gonna shut the music off for a little. Nigga, life hit me high like the Legion of Boom. Nigga tell I'm in the tune, you know that. But mine cause I'm pro rap. A bitch nigga, no, I am not that. Like a top hat dog, I'm gonna invest in my trap. I'm in straight heat for a week. And I'm still TG. I ain't fucking with Z. Okay. Yes. What I originally wanted to happen, it looks like it's happening, but I don't know. Because market does whatever the fuck it wants. I took this bitch to the moon. I couldn't say bye to nobody. I'm sorry, but I do not plan on coming back soon. Yeah, exactly. Within 4 minutes. Oh, that's your phone. need to see something. Oh, that's raw. Oh, that's raw.
Huh.
I wanted to see if I could like copy and paste without having to delete the numbers, and I can. That just sped everything up. Fuck. Macro in 3 minutes, and we still don't have a fucking sweep.
We got 5-minute SMT already, and we finna have another.
High.
Go to ES.
High. Ooh! That nigga called out the SMT.
But we already had an SMT
High. Higher.
right here.
Bro, hold on.
Then you go to Nas made a little.
Nas the trailing.
No, it's ES. It's the one that's already made the higher high. Cause Nas is already in motion because it made the lower high, so you gotta go to ES, and it's higher. So you take ES. You just take whichever one that's higher. For sales,
I thought it was the one it was lower.
No, that's the leading one. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. Gotta wait a minute. We get 5-minute SMT though. I'm looking for sales.
Higher low formed on one index and lower low formed on the other. Trade the lower low index. So it'll be Nas.
Nas is already in motion. I'm watching TJR. He's teaching.
This came from TJR. Oh, he just marked this out?
Well, he's saying that it ain't formed yet. We got 50 seconds, but yeah.
Higher low. So higher low
That's how
on
you
one
tell.
index and lower low formed on the other.
Let me lock it real quick.
Yeah, he got that wrong. He got that backwards. And Q will be the one trying to catch up. Trade the lower low index, which will be the lag index. Higher low index, which is right here. High, low. Nigga got catch up. High. Yeah. SMT a little confusing. So I'm wait to explain that one. Cause I'm still learning SMT my damn self. Yup, it look like and Q might take off here. We got a sweep of these 5-minute lows here. I don't know. I want a high time frame sweep. I'm chilling. That SMT can't go. We in macro now. This might be a no trade day for me though, because I still have yet to get a liquidity sweep in the middle of macro. And we got a 5-minute SMT. So I'm gonna wait until it takes off and sweeps liquidity. I mean, with the SMT, you still could trade Nas, get in on a buy, but will I be doing that? Fuck no. See? Pre was right. Came in here, caught out the SMT, and look at what Mark is doing. Fucking moving. But that's perfect. It's moving to where I want it to move. I want that bitch to move up here. Macro's over in 8 minutes. There goes pre-call out. There goes pre's call out. Because there it goes catching up.
There you go.
I told that nigga. Nas is the lagging index, bro. Can we get a liquidity sweep now? Can we get a liquidity sweep now? Let's go. Let's fucking go. But if a nigga just caught that buy, you made some cheese. Why do they keep deleting my goddamn liquidity lines? Fuck. Boom. All right, we swept some liquidity. Now to tell if it's valid. We need a leg down. We got a high time. No, we don't. Fuck. 15 minute? I got 15 minute. We do. Okay, we got the sweep. Boom, we need our breaker structure, which won't come until here. Bro.
What you going?
1 minute right now. Just don't want.
I'm saying you want something different.
No, that's ES.
Yeah.
This is NAS. Because we got the sweep on ES, but not NAS. But we are in this hourly, so that's okay. We got the sweep on ES, but not NAS. So I might switch my charts to ES just to see. So how I wait to see if it's valid is I need a 5 minute down candle to confirm it. Yeah.
It's to like finish the breaker structure, right?
Cause I'm still going, like, that's just gonna show me that sellers are in the market, right? Then I'm gonna go to 1 minute to find my breaker structure to flip trend. So my breaker structure won't be all the way until down here unless they give us another down candle up here. So I'm really just waiting, like, hands are in our ass. It'd be nice if we come up and get this liquidity sweep because it's a fresh new unmitigated gap up there on that hourly. Why is it doing this, bro? It's removing my lines. I'm refreshing. Fuck that. There's no way they're gonna do that to me, bro. Great. Removed everything.
Yeah.
What the fuck is going on here, bro? Okay, we got that liquidity sweep on Nas. No, we didn't. Macro time's about to end. Damn. No sweep yet on Nas. Got our sweeps on ES. We got a breaker structure set up. No, we just need one more up candle. It looks like Nas might give us our breaker structure first. Why does it keep deleting my fucking lines, bro? There we go. Like, fuck. Getting a 5-minute leg down. We already got our 5-minute down on Nas. No breaker structure.
Yeah, this shit ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, bro. Normally market moving like crazy. We just standing between these liquidity lines on Nas. We got our sweep on ES. Finally getting our legs down.
what time news is usually not today, obviously.
Here I can show you examples. Like Friday news was 9 o'clock, 7:30,
But shit's different.
9:05. Yeah, it's like news channel type shit. But this news is at 2 p.m., which is 1 p.m. for us. So it don't conflict with our trading because news not gonna be out while we trading. Breaker structure move closer than here with this fair value gap fill. Looks like we're about to get our breaker structure on ES with a inverse fair value gap. Actually might trade this setup right here. Might not be taking that trade. Yeah, it looks like I'm not taking this trade. Let me just go ahead and close that. Pushing back up on NAS to this liquidity sweep. Or not. Looks like sellers are coming in heavy. I just want to see something quick. I'm gonna mark out equilibrium. Hit our equilibrium. Now, what I want to see is the respectance of this bearish fair value gap and a breaker structure. Then I'll probably enter, but don't look like it's doing that. Looks like it's pushing up. And I personally think it's pushing up so that NAS could go get the sweep. And we have a 4-hour bearish fair value gap right above this sweep, so I'm gonna mark it out. See if market wants to respect that. ES is about to crack back above these highs. So how I tell if that 5 minute isn't valid anymore is after I get my down candle. Like this is a high right now, right? Up, down. I got my down candle. Okay, I'll be looking for entries. But since it's cracking and back above that, not valid no more until my next down candle. So I might as well just go ahead, delete this. It's gonna crack back above my highs. Delete this because that was my low I had.
Oh shit! Look at this.
NQ.
Look at this.
Yep. NQ just got swept, tapped into the 4-hour. 15 minute tapped into the 4-hour. Okay. Yep. This is a perfect setup for me, boys. Perfect setup. Yeah, we are locked and loaded. Just need a down candle here. It's giving a heavy reaction off that 4 hour. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I want a little up candle right here so we can just automatically get our breaker structure. Make this my high. What are we on the hourly? Oh, we got a low right here. I'm gonna mark that out quick. Down, up, yep, right there. Low. It's gonna be the low I'm targeting. This one doesn't have it, so. So it is valid because we didn't close back above the high. This candle has to close above the high for it to not, yeah. Okay. But it's not closing above, it's just wicking it. So it could be respecting it. But fuck, it's not giving me a breaker structure.
Shit, just fucking with you, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool though, cause like calm, poised. I'm cool for no trade day. It's rather to keep my money and risk it on a good trade than rush and lose it. What's ES doing? ES might be giving us our breaker structure. Mm-hmm. Probably gonna give us our breaker structure and an invalid fair value gap here. ES gave us our breaker structure. No, it didn't. It just came and swept it a little. need to see a fair value gap fill too. It's giving us our breaker structure here on ES. Nothing yet on NAS. Still no breaker structure on ES. It's just fiddling with it. Just playing around on the breaks and structures. All right. Now that got to like just confirm the breaker structure, right? What the fuck? This is why I start tweaking in this bitch, bruh. Just go ahead and close right there, bruh. Ain't no need to keep wicking out on the breaker structure, bro. This is when I was genuinely start tweaking out on this shit, bro. Yes. Breaker structure. Oh, you bitch. Breaker structure, yes. Okay, our breaker structure is confirmed on ES and on NAS. That is beautiful. Now I just want to see a fair value gap fill from here. Okay. ES might be my entry target. If that candle ends up being a bullish candle. Then ended up being a could have used my aggressive entry, but no. Because it reacted off a 15-minute fair value gap with a 1-minute breaker structure. But it's just something about me. I want to see a fair value gap fill.
Should I switch over to? Or just stay?
Just stay. Actually, switch over to ES. Just go to your thing and type in ES. Because it looks like ES might give me my fair value gap fill and entry before anything else.
Micro or no?
Yes.
Micro S&P?
Yeah, but the thing is, if NAS comes and retraces into these fair value gaps up here, we probably gonna break structure back to the upside on NAS. And ES we won't. That's the beautiful thing. So looks like ES would be my where I'm gonna take a trade today. tap into it. Nope, that did.
This one. Oh, this. Yeah, this is the same. Which one?
Nah, that's Minis ES. Okay, cool. This is my entry.
You getting in?
Yeah. As soon as this closes out of this fair value gap right here, yeah. This just has to close. Three, two, one. I'm in on all three accounts.
Should I hop this one or just
Stop order rejected. How? Oh my god, bro. It just rejected my trade. My stop order was rejected for some odd reason. Oh, probably a good thing they did that. Because market's just tipping up. You know, I thought I had a good trade right there. Oh, fuck, I'm still in on this account. Fuck it, we gonna let this account ride.
Which one that is?
The TJR 100K.
He got his own trading platform.
Mm-hmm. I love it. Why is my stop order rejecting though? I don't like that. Cause fuck, I would have been in a good trade. I would have been a good trade. How am I down and I'm in on a sale? Oh no, I'm up. I'm up 200. Fuck it. We're just gonna take the trade on the TJR account today. Let's mark out our levels on here. Okay. Boom. 1-1 here. Where our stops are. Boom. The whole move we're going for is here. Boom. It was a good trade. Well, it's a good trade. It would have been big ass profits today. That's how you fucking read market, boy. That's how you do that shit, nigga. Let's show y'all the TJR account that I took the trade on because I couldn't take it on my other account. Boom. It's right here, boys. We up 479 right now. We waiting on our 1-1 to get hit. Oh, boys.
So I'm just on a no trading day. Just looking. So I'm just on no trading day.
Yeah, bro. Because it fucking rejected my order. If it didn't do that, we would have been in. We got all this bearish momentum, too. Like, let's see what we doing on the 5 minute. Came out of this bearish gap, reacting off of it. Okay, cool. 1 hour. Bearish on the 1 hour. Bearish on the 4 hour. We got a 15 minute. Yup. Yup.
Won the fucking four.
What you caught?
I missed.
Fuck. How you
I
miss
went
one
against
of
my
the-
bias.
Which was?
Sell.
You see, we classify shit in this bitch to it. It rejected my orders though, so I'm not in on my funding on the 150K, on 300K, but I'm in on the 100K. Why, son?
Bro. I don't know. Like, I don't really know.
And everything
My dumb
hit.
ass, we sweeping sell side. I'm looking for buys.
I didn't take NAS because NAS gave us a breaker structure back to the upside right here. Yeah. So I didn't take NAS because I saw that was gonna come and I would have to wait for this. So what I did was I just went to ES where I seen it wasn't no breaker structure. It would just have to retrace into here and then close down. So that's what we did, twin. But Come on, bro. Don't get the respect in this bitch. Go ahead, blow through that. Go ahead, blow through that bitch. Fucking A. Come on, bitch. Go.
Alright, so
Go.
this bitch went down past that and then went back
That's
up.
5 minutes. Alright. You talking about the areas of liquidity? I thought we had them marked out.
It's a different chart.
Oh, shit. Oh, we gonna have to mark that all back up. Here, show me what you know from marking up.
So I mean, I got the high and the low. Cause that's or what?
Remember, your highs and lows got to be on the hourly.
That. Huh?
Now we need to mark up. Go to your 8 a.m., 9:30, because I'm trying to see
Oh, yeah,
everything that happened.
Yeah, my dumb ass. ES breaking structure to the upside and it closed the hourly gap. I'm thinking we going bull.
Hell no, we sweeping liquidity.
That's what I'm saying.
Look, twin. What's crazy is we sweeping liquidity, respecting
Nigga, I
the.
missed out on the
You
1
said
to
till
4.
10, till 10, right? Or what?
Damn.
That's 8, 9:30, 9:50, and then 10:10. We get a break structure right here. I'm out.
It's 9, 8:30.
His chart's on the New York Times.
Oh.
Hey, but look, twin.
No, look at this. Go to the 1 hour.
Hold on, I'm in the
It
trade. I
closed
might
it.
gotta close my shit. Hold on. We might be getting that 1 minute break of structure. Yeah, bro. Are you fucking serious, market? I'm out. Fuck all that.
My nigga, look, bro. Go to this shit, bro.
What?
Go to the 1 hour, bro. My goofy ass. You see this?
Yeah.
Close that bitch. So I'm thinking, alright, I'm finna get a 5-minute tap, a breaking structure out that bitch with a gap, an invalid.
That bitch
something.
came all the way back to the breaker structure.
Man.
What the fuck, twin? Entry was right here. That bitch came all the way back. Damn.
Light right here on that candle. Or you? Well, that was before.
Nah,
the breaker
yeah, that was
structure.
before the. So
Feeling risky, you could have got in on there.
now we got our breaker structure here.
Yeah,
Boom.
but it broke back.
It didn't break back. There's no up candle. This is ES. That's why I took ES, because there's no up candle over
Hold
here.
on.
Yeah.
Y'all trying to be looking.
It ain't no up candle on ES, nigga. That was my point of taking ES. You had an ES. Hold on. I could check. Damn, it did.
That's why I didn't get in right here. I still was finna get in, but just gonna be a lower probability until we got that breakdown here. Y'all would oh yeah, I'm holding. That shit.
I ain't even hold to my 1-on-1.
I should hit 1 to 4.
Boys, this was the trade. This was entry right here. Didn't take the trade on my funded on my live. I took it on the TJR account. We up. We up 321 for the day on the TJR account. Yeah. It was a good trade though. Good trade. Boys, this was the trade.
feeling good today, boy.
Bro, me too. I rejected my shit. I would have been up some cheese. I would have finally been 5 bands. Would have had 300K back up, another 2 bands. Man, bro.
I'd have been down there past the 100K.
That
I'd
nigga
have been
said.
up 4%.
What was your 1 to 4 at though?
This low? But I mean,
Oh, for a buy?
for sale.
No, I mean, what was your entry?
Targeting the draw liquidity. My entry.
I kind of fucked up Kalen because that stop order rejected my shit. And yeah,
You just
threw me
locked
off.
in, huh?
Yeah, I just instantly locked in. Like,
Oh, yeah. So this would have been the risky one without no break. But on mine, it would have been right there. Man, that shit won shit.
1 to 2.
1 to 2, but with this one, with this entry, it would have been. Damn, I wonder why. Hold on, I'm going to tab. Yeah. I don't want no 1 to 4.
1 to 2.
Your shit just be looking different. 1 to 2, max 1 to 3. I still would have been holding. Decent day. No news though.
I want to see that these bitches really reject my stop order though.
Shit.
I think I just had the numbers wrong.
Why would they reject?
Cause like my numbers weren't right in the right places type shit. So I don't know. It's weird.
My ass need to stand the fuck up.
Oh, we. Did ES get the sweep or NQ? Oh.
This shit didn't do nothing today.
Yeah. Yup. That's why I got out. So just the same way I use confluences to get in a trade, I use them to get out. You feel me? So like you see how on this I got in on my equilibrium fill. It came to my equilibrium, gave me a breaker structure back to the downside, so I got in.
Hold on, restart. I was not listening.
All right, so same way I use my confluences to get in the trade, I use them to get out. Cause like it's market talking to you. That's what you use your confluences for. So boom. I use equilibrium with a breaker structure to get out of my trade, right? I mean to get into my trade, right here. Now the only reason I hopped out is because we came back into this bullish fair value gap right here, and you see we got on that candle it made that I got out. It gave us a breaker structure back to the upside and a closure out of the fair value gap. So that's like, nigga, buyers are back in the market. Like, get the fuck out. So I got out, and now look, it's back to where I would have got in the trade at.
So now you just won't get in because what time it is?
Yeah, because now I'm done for the day. One trade a day for me type shit. We're up on the day. All right, we got to do our little outro. Yo, chat. Today was a beautiful day. Well, not really. We didn't even get our 1-1, but we read market somewhat perfectly. We got our orders rejected on our live and our 300K, but we still up on our 100K. It was just a good day to trade. You feel me? And that's going to lead me to say this. You already know what the fuck I'm going to say. Never stop, nigga. Never give up. Never quit on your fucking dreams, nigga. Keep going every day. And I'm out, Stream.